Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into some amazing Zen house decor ideas. Get ready to explore tranquil and harmonious spaces that not only look stunning, but also offer incredible functionality. Let's jump right into these serene designs. I absolutely love the calming vibe of this room. The earthy tones and natural materials create a serene atmosphere perfect for a Zen-inspired space. The woven baskets on the wall add texture and visual interest without overpowering the room. I appreciate the choice of the rounded wooden coffee table. It's not only stylish, but also functional, providing a smooth flow in the room's layout. The greenery brings life to the space and enhances the organic feel. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more cushions with varying textures to create a cozier seating area. The room is almost perfect as it is, though. I'm in awe of how this space captures the essence of Zen decor. The natural light pouring in through the expansive windows creates a bright, airy atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation. I love the simplicity of the furniture, minimalistic and functional, with a focus on comfort. The neutral color palette, complemented by subtle earthy tones, enhances the peaceful vibe. The soft, patterned rug adds a touch of warmth without disrupting the room's serene flow. If I could tweak anything, I'd add a few more indoor plants to increase the connection with nature. Overall, this space is beautifully balanced and incredibly inviting. This bedroom is a perfect example of Zen-inspired coziness. The warm lighting creates an intimate and calming atmosphere, ideal for unwinding after a long day. I adore the use of natural materials like the rattan headboard, which adds an organic touch to the space. The shelf above the bed, filled with plants and soft lights, enhances the room's serene vibe while also providing a practical storage solution. The neutral bedding is inviting, though I might add a few more textured throw pillows or a soft blanket to boost the comfort level. Overall, this space feels like a peaceful retreat, beautifully balancing function. This living room exudes a relaxed, Zen-like atmosphere with its abundance of greenery and natural textures. I'm particularly drawn to the hanging plants and woven light fixture, which add a beautiful organic touch to the space. The cozy sectional is perfect for lounging, and the mix of earthy tones on the cushions brings warmth and comfort. The rustic wooden coffee table anchors the room, offering both function and style. I love the vintage rug for its character and how it ties the space together. If I were to enhance anything, I'd add a larger plant or a taller bookshelf to create more vertical interest. This room feels like a peaceful, lived-in sanctuary. I'm really appreciating the simplicity and elegance of this living room. The neutral color palette, dominated by soft whites and beiges, creates a calming and Zen-like environment that's perfect for unwinding. The dark wood coffee table provides a strong contrast and adds a grounding element to the space. I love how the staircase and artwork subtly enhance the room's vertical lines, adding depth without overwhelming the serenity of the design. The greenery placed next to the fireplace brings a touch of nature indoors, enhancing the overall tranquility. If I were to suggest an improvement, it might be to add a textured throw or some patterned cushions to introduce a bit more warmth and character. This space is both refined and inviting. This living room feels incredibly inviting with its warm, neutral tones and comfortable furniture. I love how the space balances a cozy, lived-in feel with elements of elegance, like the ornate mirrors and the decorative mantle. The Zen aspect comes through in the simplicity of the decor. There's no clutter, just thoughtful touches that add character without overwhelming the room. The ceiling fan is a practical choice, keeping the room airy and cool. If I were to make any adjustments, I might swap out the wall art for something larger to better anchor the space above the sofa. Overall, this room is a perfect blend of comfort and style with a peaceful, calming atmosphere. I'm really impressed by the balance of openness and warmth in this living room. The tall ceilings and large windows flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy environment that feels incredibly Zen. I love the neutral color palette, which is soothing and allows the various textures, from the plush rug to the woven chairs, to shine. The round coffee table adds a soft contrast to the straight lines of the furniture, promoting a sense of flow and harmony. If I were to enhance anything, I'd consider adding some sheer curtains to soften the light and add a bit more privacy without sacrificing the natural glow. This room is a beautiful example of modern Zen decor. I'm captivated by the rustic charm of this living space. The exposed wooden beams and arched doorways bring an old-world feel that's both warm and inviting. The use of natural materials like the wood and brick ties in beautifully with the Zen-inspired decor, creating a harmonious balance. The patterned rug adds a bold touch, grounding the space and providing contrast against the neutral furniture. I appreciate the open fireplace, which acts as a focal point and brings a cozy element to the room. If I were to suggest any improvement, I'd add a few more cushions or a soft throw to the lounge chair for added comfort. This space is a perfect blend of rustic elegance and peaceful Zen vibes. I absolutely love the serene and earthy feel of this living room. The natural textures, like the woven rug and wooden coffee table, create a warm, grounded atmosphere that's essential for a Zen-inspired space. The soft, neutral tones throughout the room promote relaxation and harmony. I appreciate the simplicity of the decor. The plants and minimal accessories add just the right amount of life without cluttering the space. The arched doorway and soft lighting enhance the room's tranquil vibe. If I were to add anything, it might be a textured throw or a few more cushions on the sofa to increase the coziness. This space is a perfect retreat, combining simplicity with comfort. I'm really drawn to the clean, minimalist design of this bathroom. The use of natural elements like the wood vanity and woven basket adds warmth and texture, making the space feel more inviting and zen-like. The round mirrors create a sense of balance and harmony, which is essential in a zen-inspired space. I love how the white vessel sinks and soft lighting keep the room saucy, feeling bright and airy. The open shelving underneath the vanity is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, allowing for easy access to towels while maintaining a clutter-free look. If I were to add anything, it might be a small piece of art or an additional plant to bring in more life. This bathroom is a perfect blend of function and tranquility. I'm really enjoying the moody, intimate atmosphere of this bathroom. The warm, ambient lighting from the pendant lamp creates a cozy and inviting space, perfect for unwinding. The floating vanity and round mirror maintain a sleek, modern look, while the plants bring in a touch of nature, enhancing the zen vibe. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Everything has a purpose, and there's no clutters to distract from the calmness of the space. The small stool with the candle and towel adds a spa-like element, making the room feel even more like a retreat. If I were to add anything, it might be a small piece of art or a bamboo mat to add a bit more texture. This bathroom is a sanctuary. This living room exudes a calm and serene vibe with its soft, neutral tones and minimalistic decor. I love how the textured cushions and cozy throw add comfort without cluttering the space. The abstract art piece above the sofa adds a touch of modern elegance, while the unique vase on the side table introduces an artistic element. The arched mirror beautifully reflects light, making the room feel more spacious and inviting. The balance between modern and organic elements creates a harmonious atmosphere. If I were to add anything, it might be a small plant on the side table to bring in a touch of greenery. This space feels effortlessly peaceful. I'm really impressed by the calming ambience of this bathroom. The freestanding tub is the focal point, and its sleek design enhances the room's modern, zen-inspired vibe. The soft gray subway tiles create a serene backdrop, making the space feel both clean and tranquil. I love the addition of greenery, which brings a touch of nature indoors, essential for a true zen experience. The small details, like the neatly arranged plants on the windowsill and the plush rug, add warmth and comfort. If I were to change anything, I might add a bamboo bath tray for added functionality and a touch more natural texture. This bathroom is a perfect retreat for relaxation. I'm absolutely in love with the warm, inviting feel of this space. The soft, neutral tones and natural light streaming in create a serene atmosphere that's perfect for a zen-inspired room. The cozy chair with textured pillows adds a touch of comfort, making it an ideal spot for relaxation. I appreciate the minimalist decor. Each piece, from the woven pendant light to the simple artwork, enhances the room's calm vibe without overwhelming it. The wooden furniture adds warmth and keeps the space grounded. If I were to add anything, it might be a small, soft throw on the chair for an extra layer of coziness. This room beautifully balances simplicity and comfort. I'm really drawn to the earthy, bohemian vibe of this dining space. The dark wooden table anchors the room, providing a strong contrast to the light walls and natural textures. I love how the woven elements, like the wall decor and the rattan shelving, add warmth and a sense of organic beauty to the space. The mix of greenery brings in a touch of nature, enhancing the zen-like ambiance. The simplicity of the white chairs keeps the room feeling modern and balanced. If I were to add anything, it might be a few more cushions on the chairs for added comfort. This space beautifully blends rustic charm with a peaceful, relaxed atmosphere. Thanks for joining me on this journey through some amazing Zen house decor ideas. I hope these spaces have inspired you to create your own serene sanctuary at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, stay peaceful and creative.